Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps, which are right here, almost at the top. So let's tap. Now let's tap on see all 54 apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disable app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. As you can see here, we've got the evidence because we have to select a home app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.